Happy VA Wednesday. Since this is the first Wednesday in January 2026, I thought we got to talk about how to use your VA entitlement to buy a house. One of the most common New Year's resolutions is, I am going to buy a house this year. Perfect. So we're going to start early. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about a couple different scenarios just because there's no one straight path to home ownership, okay? And you have to understand that going in. And what I really want to urge you guys from the start, from the get, if at any time you have questions and you're like, I just don't know where to start, I don't know what to do, just call us, 786-933-2077. My team and I are licensed across America, and I've been the #1 VA lender for the last 2 years. We'll see what happens in 2025. That may be 3 years for purchases. So this is what we do, okay? And sometimes people are like, well, I'm not ready. I don't want to waste your time. Just call us, okay? I wanted to say this in the beginning because it's very important. Now look, sometimes people are ready to go. They're like, okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I just wanna jump in. Okay, if you're ready to jump in and see what you qualify for, the first step is doing an application. Now, we can either do the application over the phone with you, or you can do the application online. Once we receive the application, it goes to one of my team members. They reach out to you, they go over the application with you, okay? They're gonna wanna talk to you. Sometimes people are like, well, I filled it out, why are you calling me? Because we wanna make sure it's accurate, always. Then we request a bunch of docs. What we next do is we take your file to underwriting, we have them look at it, and then we give you a fully underwritten pre-approval. After that, we go through what to expect with rates, what to expect with payments. What are you comfortable with? You know, really spend time making sure that you're financially ready. Because the big question we always get is, what will I qualify for? And the reason why I'm like, look, you got to fill out the application. I want to get your docs. I want an underwriter to look at this is because I want to give you a real number. I don't want to give you some BS number. And that's what we see a lot of, is we'll see someone fills out an online application with XYZ lender, or they talk to something with veterans in the name, and they get this letter that says a number, but they don't really know how it hits their budget. And that's why once we know, like, hey, this is what we're thinking of, we have that conversation. So no matter who you guys are working with this year, okay, you always need to have a conversation about what to expect with payments, because the online calculators are not right. There's lots of variables. You need to talk about your budget. I recommend that you do a budget, just because a lot of times people go, well, if the lender says I can afford it, I can afford it. No. We're not looking at your day-to-day spending on your bank statements at all. You know, we're making sure you're not overdrawn, but it's not like we're sitting in a room and we're like, oof, he really likes Chick-fil-A. Yeah, I don't know about this one. We're not doing that, right? So that's why I think it's a really good idea to have a budget, have a number you're comfortable with, so that when we're having that call explaining everything to you, you're like, okay, this fits in my budget. Or you're like, shoot, I really want that price, but I think this is too high, so you can go back and work those numbers, okay? A lot of times people are like, well, I don't want to get approved until I find a house. No. Guys, you want to get approved before you find the house, because once you find the house, you're making an emotional decision. This is a big financial decision. I'm telling you right now, I've been doing this a very long time. I have seen so many people end up in terrible positions because of emotions, right? They're usually coming to me after the carnage. They're like, hey, yeah, I bought a house. I can't really afford it. I don't know what to do. What you want to do is the financial part first. What works? What is the lender saying? Can I do more? Can I do less? And you want to make sure that you're working with a lender that will have those real conversations with you. And sometimes they can be tough, right? Yeah, sometimes people are like, Jen, that was a lot. I'm like, welcome to your call with me. We got deep, we got real deep. But buying a house is a commitment, so it's important that you're on top of all of that, okay? And then of course, based on that conversation, if you need help with a realtor, we advise. If you need the seller to pay closing costs, we advise. Like, we go through all of that, and then you go shopping, okay? Now look, you may be like, I'm not ready yet, Jen. I'm not ready to fill out an application. Like, I want to buy a house in 2026, but I have a lot of questions. guys, grab a spot on the calendar or give us a call. I have 4 gals now, 4 gals, they're licensed in multiple states. You know, Linda, for example, she's been a loan officer for 12 years. Christina's been one for over 30 years. You know, they literally are on that phone all day long, just answering questions for free, right? Whether you end up working with us or not, I wanna make sure that you're getting real, honest information, because the sad part is that the mortgage industry is a bit of a snake pit. I'm not gonna lie, it is. You know, there's a lot of people that will just BS you. We're not going to. You can call us like 5 times a week for 3 years before you buy a house and ask questions about buying a house. We're happy to answer it. Now, if you're sending us weird pictures, no, we're not gonna do that. Thankfully, we haven't had much of that, but I thought I'd throw that in there. Yeah, no pictures, please. So keep that in mind. Happy to answer questions. Give us a call. And if you're like, well, I don't want to, you know, just get random, I want to schedule it. We have a calendar. Book a time, guys, 30 minutes. You know, if you use the whole 30 minutes, cool. If you don't, no worries. Like, it's important that you have someone that you can count on, someone that does this every day, someone you can trust, that you can ask these questions about buying a house, because you can feel very vulnerable, right? Like, this is a big deal. This is your money. This is your future. If you have a family, like, this is your family's, if this gets messed up, if you overbuy, you can put your family through a lot of pain. So making sure you're comfortable and you understand what you're doing is very important. It's the reason I have this channel. So you can always go down the rabbit hole on this channel as well. If you're like, I don't want to talk to anyone yet, I want to dip my toes in. I would recommend, of course, my channel, but then also I did a free course. It's totally free. It is a labor of love. It is so long, guys. I don't know if I have a couple people who've actually finished it, and I'm like, they get like a certificate because I'm like, you did this. It's nostressva.com, and you don't have to watch it in order, but it tells you every single thing you could ever want to know about VA loans and buying a house. If you're like, I don't want to do the labor of love one, I just want, like, can you give me like the Cliff Note version? You got to be older to know what that is. Can you give me the AI condensed version? 60minhomebuyer.com. That one's not VA specific, but it's like budgeting to keys, how to buy a house. The bottom line is this. If you're watching this video, if you got this far, you're gonna buy a house in 2026. You are. And you're like, oh, I don't know, Jen. Look, okay, let's be honest. What could throw you off? Okay, if you're not paying your bills right now, like at all, like, yeah, this is not the year, but at least we can get the information for next year, right? And if you're like, no, I'm paying my bills, like my credit's good, I've got a job, this is the year. You're starting off fresh. It's the beginning of the year and you're educating yourself. So I'm excited for you. I think this is gonna be great. Please reach out with questions, 786-933-2077. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.